Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna cover widget areas available in our themes. There are 7 places where you can place widgets: header, above the page, above the content, sidebar, below the page, below the content, and footer. You can find all of them in Appearance widgets. In order to see them in action, let's add a banner into each of the widget areas and see how they look like on our site. I'm gonna use the ThemeRegs banner widget for that purpose. I'll drag the widget into our sidebar area. And I'll choose the sidebar banner image which I have prepared for this tutorial. As you can see, I have other banners here as well, such as header, footer banners and so on. We're going to use them for the rest of the widget areas. Now I'll insert this image and click Save. I'll do the same thing for the rest of the widget areas. So now when we have banners placed into each of the widget areas, we can set up a demonstration page where we can see all of them in a single place. I have prepared such a page already, and in the theme options of this page we can find the widget settings. Under the header tab we can specify the widget set for the header area. Under the widgets tab we can find most of the widget locations such as sidebar, above the page, above the content and so on. And lastly, in the footer tab we can find our footer widget location. You can notice here that we've got the footer column setting, and we can choose the number of columns we want to show in the footer. If we select 0, the number of columns will be the same as the number of widgets, which in our case is 1. Now let's preview the changes and see how our page looks on the front end. We can see the header widget area, which is stretched out for the whole width of the header. It can be useful for inserting sliders. The above the page area covers both the content section and the sidebar. Next up goes the above the content location, where you can place widgets above the main content of your site correspondingly, and the sidebar area, which is the most widely used location on a website. If we scroll to the bottom of the page, we can find the below the content and below the page locations, as well as the footer widget area. So that was the basic overview of the widget areas available in our themes. If you want to see more tutorials and overviews, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.